Hello learners, welcome to the session. Video embedding. Yes, this term is used when we want a video to run on our web page. What we can do is make use of a tag, that is video tag. We can provide the source from where we want this video to come, and also we can provide as an attribute a control. So how to implement all these things? Let's get started and check it on the VS Code. So here we are in our VS Code. The first thing we are going to do is to create a file. So I'm creating a file and not here but the outside. The name of the file is going to be video embedding.html. Okay, done. And we can take the starter template this way. This is done. Second task is whatever video we want to embed or show in a web page, we need to keep that video somewhere. So for all the media, that is the files and the videos, we had created a folder that is image, if you remember. Just open this and I have kept a video also inside this. As you can see, this one, that is promo chat GPT. Okay, this is my MP4 video. Okay, this is what I want to embed on my web page. So what I'm doing is, just to start with, first I'm taking a div. So if you're not providing any particular styling or anything, you're simply creating a div, because here we are learning how to use a tag to show a video on our screen. Okay, so the tag that we will be using here is video and src. This is going to be similar to as you embed or show any image on your screen. Okay, similarly, there we use img, here we use video. So video src, and then provide with the source where it is under images folder, and what is the name. So you have to be very careful while providing the name, or otherwise you won't be able to see this. Okay, so this is ChatGPT, and as VS Code always prompt you, so this file is recognized by VS Code, you can simply click it to get it on the screen. Okay, so this is done. Also, there is one thing, when you close, you'll get the closing tag and the control. Okay, I am going to show you what happen if you don't put the control S. Now little bit of styling is needed here. What type of styling am I talking about here is the styling that is the height and width. So if you want to do this, that is the height and width of this video, what we will be doing is, we again can have the internal CSS, and in the internal CSS we write which one are we going to target, directly the tag. We have the video tag, let's target the video tag and provide with the height. This height is nothing but, for example, 50 pixels. Okay, and also the width is 600 pixels. This is done. I think it's good to take live. Let's go click this to go live. Here we got it. See, the video is embedded on the web page. It doesn't look like a web page right now because only this particular video is there on the page. And using the control, this particular bar actually you have got, if you click on this, you can run it like that. So this control, if you want, you have to write that attribute which is control that we have written. So putting up a video is this simple, nothing else.